C4 to take a look at it. Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1991 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Both top car, so soft top and hard top, and we'll get into that in just a little bit. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, just a little over 55,000 is all in this one. Turquoise metallic. I believe production numbers in turquoise metallic. 1991 model year, 1,621. Take a look at the front fascia on this. It does also have the filler panel where the license plate is. That will be included with it. So if you don't need to run a front license plate in your state, you don't have to. And you can see the paint shows well. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, chips. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You're going to be able to see those on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Saw blade wheels. Underneath the hood, the 5.7 liter TPI engine, power steering, power brakes, AC. And we'll pop the hood in a little bit, start it up, let you hear it run. First, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the car is free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Ebony or black interior. Also has the black cloth top, of course, bucket seats, center console with the dual power seats. Selective ride control, 6-speed manual transmission paired up with that 5.7 liter. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A little different exhaust tip with the like Pilot Motorsports. And again, you'll be able to see the exhaust from the underside. Also interior engine bay. Before this video is done, we will put up the soft top. Check that out. We're also going to put on the hard top. Check that out. And once again, those still pictures are going to be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side of this car. If you're into Corvettes, maybe like C4, C5, C3s, whatever it may be, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase on our website, or of course right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. While we're right here, let's check out these headlights. You have to show you that those are working. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Seat condition, very nice on this car. Of course, you do have your bolster and lumbar supports. That's the controls right there. We also over here on the passenger seat. There's your power seat controls, of course, that ride control, tilt column, AM/FM CD cassette. It's in one of those kind of in-between years, the cassettes and the CDs. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. I don't have to grab the keys. I got them on the shelf, so hang on. Let me grab the keys, and we'll fire this car up. Check exact miles first. 55,753. That is actual. No accidents indicated. Confirmed miles. Clean Carfax. Let's fire it up. All right. As far as gauges, see fuel pressure come up there. Oil temp should be down, and so should the regular temp. That was a cold start. Battery. Top of the dash looks good. Turn the stereo on.
I got this workout playlist, and this is a staple on there because I gotta keep pushing. It's REO Speedwagon.
There's the stereo. some speed. All right, let's make sure we're in neutral here. One thing I do want to show you as far as these C4s, if you're familiar with them, steering column in this one, nice and tight. Don't use those as leverage to get out. It will loosen that steering wheel column up. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Nothing crazy over the top for exhaust. Nice sounding 5-liter or 350 cubic inch V8. There it is. Nice, clean and tidy, good looking engine bay. Also get an idea as far as the tread on the tires. Clamshell hood. I've not noticed any modifications. As you can see, this has been judged. NCRS, top flight, gold certified, Bloomington Gold. So judged Corvette besides in the C4 world. One of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. These cars are a lot of bang for the buck. And also nice and clean and tidy underneath the hood. All right, I'm gonna slip around to the driver's side. Let me pause this a second. I'm gonna show you the condition of the top. I'll also show you the top going up and down, manual top, piece of cake to put up and down. We're gonna put that hard top on and check that out at the end. And stick around to the very end of this video. We're taking this car for a drive. And there we go with the soft top up. As you can see, easy to fold up one person. You can do it less than a minute. Also rolled the side glass up so you can see how nice and tight that fits. We do have a nice tight fit above the windshield. And tighten the latches. No rips, tears, or holes. It doesn't hardly look like this top's been used. Rear window nice and clear. Nice fit down along the tonneau cover of the body of the car. Side window passenger side also looks good. Nice and black fabrics in nice shape. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how that folds down, and then we'll get the hard top on, and we'll check out the condition of that. Like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. We are gonna take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And here we go, last but not least, hard top on and tighten down. You see nice fit above the windshield. Side glass is rolled up so you get an idea how that fits in the hard top. Also around to the rear, it does have the rear glass window, rear defrost, and of course matching color hard top. And passenger side glass also fits nicely, as you can see. Fits on there well. So, two-top car, soft top, hard top. 1991 Chevrolet convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1991 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. We do have the hardtop on today. This is in a very seldom seen teal color. Really good color for this car. Kind of an aqua. This is a 6-speed manual, which makes it even more fun to drive. Very nice acceleration in this Corvette. Smooth running car. Our factory stereo is working. I can hear the rear speaker working on FM. I have not tested the cassette. Cruise control functions on this car. Nice smooth ride down the road. Leather bucket seats, very comfortable. Our blower motor is working. It is a little cool out today for testing the AC. Clutch feels good, shifting is easy. Brakes are working as they should. I'm going to stay in third for this corner. Take it a little fast. It doesn't mind. This car stays nice and level in the corner. Get it in 6th gear. 6th gear, 58 miles an hour and about 1,400 RPM. Very nice. Smooth running Corvette. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.